Welcome to another episode of Ripping It Right with Dave and Wally. Obviously, Dave's not here, so I'm going this one solo. We've went over some of our other EPDM accessories. This one here, we have our T-joint patch, actually pre-cut, 5x5. You install it the same way you do some of the outside or inside corners. So in this instance area, we have a T-joint we have to address. These are critical areas on the roof. These are notorious leakers, so you really want to pay close attention how this is done. So I've went ahead, we have cleaned this area, I've installed the primer, and we have a couple options for your primer. We have our standard TPO primer, and we also have our aerosol primer, and you can use whichever one you choose to use, right? So I've got this area clean, I've got it primed. You see I've already got one T-joint installed here, but we have another one right here. So we have a couple options for you. You can use this 5x5, which is already pre-cut for you, it's already got the corners rounded. Or if you have an area like this, rather than doing two separate patches, you could also use our 6-inch roll, cut whatever length you need, right? So if you watch some other videos, this kind of gets installed the same way as an inside or outside corner. You peel the vinyl protective off the back. This goes to the roof side. And then you peel off the top protective layer. Again, if you're stretching this or conforming this to an obstacle, there's a machine direction on these, or these diamonds. If you're conforming this or stretching this to go around a penetration or whatnot, you want to maintain that diamond. You'll see that diamond pattern in there. If you're conforming this or stretching around a penetration and you start to lose that pattern, that means you're overstretching it. This area, we're not going to be doing a lot of stretching, but again, we want to make sure these T-joint areas transfer up through the top of the patch. So we're going to center it over the area. Come in with your roller. Again, pay special attention to this seam area right here. Ideally, you want this seam area to transfer up through the top of this patch. Once you got it where you need it, come in with your roller. Make sure there's no voids or air pockets. Once it's all done, come in with your Flex Seal, caulk around it, and that patch is done. Stay tuned for other videos at gaf.com/roofingItRight.